Students, welcome students of half of 5 and previous 6. This is the history exam of 2025, as you can see in the corner of this video. And if you want to look at the correction model, if you want to look at the question, if you want to look at the Bronnenboekje, you can find it on the website of Mr. Vlenkevleugel, reachable by the CAP website, and then you go to ASW Geschiedenis, and then you can find everything there that you need. And again, this is the exam of last year, 2025 history. Let's look at the question. When we look at the question, we see that the following is the question. De rechterlijke macht is the third power of the trias politica. En rechters beoordelen of de burger de wetten overtreedt. So judges judge if the citizen is doing something that is illegal, doing something that's not according to the law. Yeah? Beoordelen of de burger de wetten overtreedt. Where it crosses the limits of the law. Well, the question is basically, geef aan welke twee factoren garanderen dat rechters hun taak zo goed mogelijk kunnen uitvoeren. So, give the two factors that guarantee that judges can do their jobs as good as possible. So you have to name the two factors. There are more probably, but you only have to name two. So be careful that you only name two. Yeah, because if you name three and one is correct, you get only one of the two marks you can earn. Yeah, so pay attention to that. Yeah, so this is question 13, by the way. Question 13. Yeah, question 13. The examen di 2025. Yeah, so we're talking about judges. Judges apply the law. They're part of the trias politica. De uitvoerende, de rechterlijke en de wetgevende macht. Rechterlijke, uitvoerende en de wetgevende macht. They use the law to punish people who have committed a crime. Yeah? And which two factors? Two, guarantee that judges can do their job as well as possible. Zo goed mogelijk. Link papiamento exequita soru panam por hasinan tarianan mas efectivo possible. Yeah? If you want to, instead of my TikTok, you want to go to my YouTube, it's called Meneer Pescado. And you can find videos, you can find shorts there. This will be a short, so use it to your advantage. And goodbye.